Don't copy. Any mentioning?
My lord, I try to mention one matter for
No, you wait, let the matter be called out. You wait. From serial number 1 to 14 is the same matter. You please wait.
my lord, the matter has been filed with F number. The WPA number has yet to be assigned, my lord.
You please wait for 5 minutes.
My lord. For inclusion.
Pardon?
For inclusion of 1 millimeter.
But to be mentioned for correction, my lord.
To be mentioned.
Appellate side daily list 1 to 14.
Lordship, one mentioning, this is the matter of MPS versus SEBI. We are pressing for non-prosecution.
Yes, please give the letter.
You are pushing the artist
Yes,
to solve this one. দেখো আমাকে বলতে পারে যে আমি একটু স্যার রেডি না
Yes. Supreme Court has passed 2 orders. And I think the second order, it covers all the issues which are now before us.
To my understanding, the Honorable Supreme Court did not at all interfere with the proceedings before this court. But in effect, I must be very frank to your lordship. In effect, Lord, it appears that the Supreme Court also wants the report about the vandalism and the death.
In the second
Therefore-
order, have you got that?
Yes. Now, may I just make a humble appeal? Let the matter be adjourned till 28th or 9th. Let us see what happens on 27th.
That will be better.
My lord, in our matter, my lord, the learned advocate who is a petitioner herein, Sumitra Niyogi Bhattacharya, on that day was present when the alleged incident occurred after the death. My lord, on 15th August. My lord, we filed a supplementary application. My lord, we have lodged an FIR about the said complaint about the said incident, and we have annexed this.
No, you please hold on. Huh?
Would you
It
like to
won't be-
copy?
see, judicial discipline
Yes.
requires us to await. Because almost all issues, including one of the doctors had filed
Yes.
for them to call off the strike, etc. That also the Honorable Supreme Court has taken note of. Then your prayer to provide
CIS.
forces,
Yes.
that is also
Yes.
been agreed to by the senior
State,
advocate
yes.
appearing for the state. Then as Mr. Bhattacharya has pointed out, report by CBI by 22nd August. The report by State of West Bengal also
The same
by
day.
22nd August.
In fact, they have not followed my lord's directions, if I may say with due respect. Now, the
And
Supreme Court observed that the wisdom of the division bench of High Court is quite obvious. Now, therefore, to maintain the judicial amity is my duty to the lordship. Let it be adjourned till 29.
that
Let
is-
us see what happens on 27th. We shall come back.
And in the meantime, we will serve, my lord.
Our reports are there, we shall file for the next meeting.
don't file it now.
That's
You have to file it there.
I have them because
How many
the lordships have directed, I don't want to be violation. So I have copies.
Oh, let it remain with you.
I'll copy number দিয়ে দেগে থেকে।
My petitioner in item number 7, my prayers are, I can see prayers of the other petitioners in the sense that I'm not so much of investigation. It was one of the prayers, but it is now, it may not be pressed. But the other aspect that I have thought is for the state to submit a report on POSH compliance so that eventually it
No,
will
in
lead to
fact,
gender audit.
The task force
Task
which
force
has
has
been
been
constituted,
But that's for medical professionals. I have not just asked for medical professionals, but my prayer is to look at the entire all public institutions, and because you will appreciate.
no, see, if suppose we take up the issue relating to other institutions, teaching institutions, colleges, etc., that will be going outside the scope of these 14 matters.
But
And we find that you have also appeared.
that's where I was going. That I have also, be that as it may, I have taken the liberty of filing an intervention before the Honorable
So
Supreme
therefore, you
this may be kept in abeyance, and my I just place on record the affidavit of service because you had instructed my lord to
what affidavit of service on?
on the, of the, because I have served upon the state councils.
Then nobody is disputing that.
My lord,
So
there is-
you hold on, no? You hold on, nothing will happen.
Item number 14. That is, there is a prayer for deployment of paramilitary forces. That is also covered by the Supreme Court.
Yes, yes, yes. Popular, sir, আরেকটা extra player আছে।
তুমি সার্ভিস করতে হবে, লিভ দিতে হবে কেন?
এটা করো তার যে কি?
No, you make the application ready and keep it with you. On the next date, as suggested by learned senior advocate, we will consider it. And what is your writ petition, sir?
না না, সার্ভিসটা করে দিতে হবে। সেটা বলছে এইটা রেখে দিতে বলছে, ওখানে জমা না দিতে বলছে। সার্ভিস না করলে হিয়ারিং হবে না।
আছে সব থাক না এখন থাক
কতগুলো আছে?
এখন orally order
No, no, in fact, in our, no, I think, sorry, sir, you have not gone through our earlier order. In the last paragraph, you have said,
My lord's order indeed covered those aspects, my lord, but till date,
but then,
Those are circulating.
you please see, we made a request, etc., not to upload, to take off, press, media, we requested, etc. But if you see the decision, I mean, order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, there is a positive direction,
yes positive
positive direction. Where did I see that? On which paragraph you read somewhere?
টাইপ করে আর
কি বলবো?
ওটা লিখে আনা order.
It was an oral observation or?
No, it was an oral observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court. There, my lord,
Oh,
we have said that the direction, my lord,
No.
that there is positive direction by this court. Following that direction, my lord, not only me personally, others have also my lord, appealed that please do not disclose identity.
In
Now, what
fact,
is
that
happening is, my lord, that probably the unfortunate victim lady have her beloved old friends having their old photographs that they are circulating. Well, it requires not proper, I mean,
No, that is correct, sir.
proper awareness on the legally.
That is correct, sir.
The specific community has the names that has been given in there as the handlers, that belongs to a specific community. Now, they may or may not be real person. My lord, that poses a great threat to the social integrity of the state itself. If not investigated, if the perpetrators could be found out, my lord, and these things will keep on circulating, my lord, anything can happen. That can trigger any kind of.
That is true, sir.
Yes, sir, that's what last order speaks about.
Now, this court's order is very clear.
In our order dated 16th of August, para 18, as the law, para 17, it is submitted by one of the learned advocates appealing for the public interest litigant that the photographs of the victim are being widely circulated in social media. You have said, as the law prohibits the disclosure of the identity of such victim, we request the persons who are known to the victim not to circulate the photographs of the victim as well as the name and other identity and details of the victim. Equally, we would request the members of the print and press, media, etc., also to ensure that the identity of the victim or photographs of the victim are not published in any of the reports which may be published.
Very clear.
Yeah, my lord. But the thing is, my lord, this goes beyond the aspect of publishing the photograph, my lord. These are content remarks, my lord. These are condescending remarks being made a hand or a design with a specific intention.
See,
And that is the reason, my lord, the petitioner is on the police praying for handing over this investigation to the CBI because the police have proved themselves to be incompetent. These are roaming around undeterred, despite your worship's order.
আর একটু পরে করে দিচ্ছি।
না করেও বলে। তুই যদি না সেদিন decide করে, পরে করে দিবি।
No, what is said in Hindi? What is said in Hindi? In this, you said some,
কি লিখে, কারা লিখেছে দেখ। কপি আছে রে?
it's not been served copy. What is been read. In fact, we have masked the name of the parents of the victim also.
Yeah.
We have not mentioned that.
Lord, may and my learned friend serve a copy on us. That I'll not be able to read it out aloud. Such condescending remarks regarding the departed soul.
But one thing can be done, দাঁড়াও, if-
What the departed soul?
Then my lord may be
They are
pleased to,
infinity of sexual innuendos.
এই দাঁড়াও।
my lord may be pleased to be not the all media people who are also present over here. That on their own to circulate, that let the identity of the victim and his family be not disclosed. I think that will give them a lesson.
That they will do.
That
they
they
will
can do. I
They
think
will
they
do.
will do.
My lord, one person
The
is-
persons who are doing probably are not aware what is the impact of it.
See, the people,
My lord, just one one person is
And it's a
coming.
crime.
काश मैं भी उन 7-8 लोगों में
সেটা
होता.
বলে এখানে আসতে পারবো।
Just one of them in.
হ্যাঁ।
The only one that I can read out aloud. And the most concerning part is the use of the names. They may or may not be real person.
we have heard the learned advocates for.
My lord, lordship, 1 minute, my lord, my prayer, my petition is different, my lord, and this court must intervene now. There is a interim prayer there, and there is a Supreme Court order. Kindly
What
see
is-
page
what-
15 of my Supreme Court order.
You please.
What
keep-
is happening? 11, item 11, item 11, and
Not today, sir, not today. You please come back on the next day, we'll do.
my lord, on page
Even if the
15.
petition, sir, even if the petition is not there, we will hear,
Can I?
we will hear. We have done so in the earlier matters as well. Just to avoid multiplicity, you can intervene, we will definitely hear.
হ্যাঁ, সে তো ভুল করেছো।
My lord, page
Now, my lord-
15, my lord.
In
Page
fact,
15, there's a Supreme Court order. And paragraph 4,
the Honorable Supreme Court Lord in his order
They
has
have-
addressed this issue.
paragraph 4,
No, wait, doctor. So please give him some place. The first prayer is to immediately end the doctor's strike.
yes, but interim prayer is not that, that's final prayer. But interim prayer innocuous,
No, A, B, C, D, everything is,
only A is the interim.
so
You read that?
if you have read the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court dated 20th of August, we will read it for you. Um, With the provision of central security at the hospital, we hope and trust that the doctors will resume duty at the earliest. Any concerns which they may have in regard to their safety may be placed in the form of an email jointly by the doctors to the Registrar Judicial of this court for further direction. This court means the Honorable
I
Supreme
have
Court.
seen that. But my lord, it is happening today, it will happen tomorrow, and patients are dying. All I am saying is what Supreme Court said, state must announce that to the doctors, and maybe they will refrain. My lord, only paragraph 4 only. Lordship,
I don't think it was
to put
submission in is
Lordship, may I
requested
draw
item
attention?
11, my lord. Item 9, my lord.
দাঁড়া, একটু প্রত্যাশান করছি।
Yes, please.
My lord, negligence, if strike is Supreme Court said that. And if the state can say that to the doctors, I think they will stop strike and it will save life.
We-
But
we have
that's all my interim.
We have expressed so in our earlier order. Honorable Supreme Court has also
Yeah.
expressed so.
appear
You
to-
please wait. We will hear you on the next day.
My lord, in respect of item number 9, my lord, what I beg to place before your lordship, my lord, there has been a subsequent development, my lord, it must be brought to the notice of your lordship, my lord. Our special investigation team has been formed, my lord, to inquire into the irregularities, financial irregularities they are seeing. of Arjikor Medical College and Hospital. It was reflected in your lordship's order that they have given them a price posting, and your lordship had taken due note of that, my lord, in your lordship's order. And my lord, what I beg to place before your lordship, my lord, that subsequently, my lord, this is in special investigation team by the West Bengal government officials. That is absolutely an eyewash, my lord, and that will be diluted, my lord. So kindly, this is a subsequent event. I'm filing an application to that effect. My lord, kindly let it be taken up on any day, 2 days, within 2 days, my lord.
You, whatever application in the pending matter, if you want, you file it. On the next date, we will
My
consider.
lord, kindly let it be tagged on that day, my lord.
You file the application, madam, first. We
As
have
your
got the
lordship
learned
directs, my
advocates for the parties.
Lordship, may I draw attention on one issue, my lord? My item number is 10, my lord.
Ah.
My only submission in this aspect, my lord, if I, as far as vandalism is concerned, if I take that, say for 30-40 minutes, and after 30-40 minutes, my submission only on that point, my lord, say whether in the first 30-40 minutes, whether the police remained actively passive,
That is,
actively silent, for under certain unforeseeable instructions, that issues be taken into consideration, my
Okay.
lord. This motive,
We have
why
got
the
learned
police
advocates
using
for the
so many
parties.
powerful force remain silent. That's it, made within the purview of the investigation, my lord.
access to the patient.
That allowed the free access of vandalism. That should be taken into consideration, my lord. Who is the force behind?
4th September.
No, 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 no.
List on 4th September. 4th September.
4th September.
Will not kindly direct, will not that all reports as directed by your losses earlier should be filed within 4th September.
Next.
My lord, may I be permitted
Thank
to
you.
mention, my lord?
We mention under number 14.
May I be permitted for that, my lord, may I be permitted to mention, my lord, one leave may be granted, my lord, to, my lord, inclusion or appeal application, my lord, application for modification of the order passed in the appeal application, my lord. My lord, this is a appeal matter, my lord, an order has been passed, which the petitioners are not the parties. And the the order has directly
What
affected
is the bill, madam?
bill
What
for, my lord, hawkers, my lord, street hawkers, my lord, for eviction of the street hawkers. My lord, order has been passed to consider, and by edit of that order, my lord, unauthorizedly, illegally, my lord, the eviction order has been passed on the edit of that bill order, my lord. So, my lord, we have filed an application, but let the matter maybe come tomorrow.
No, no, no. The writ petition has been disposed of.
Yes, my lord, but there is, my lord, letter maybe.
No, no, wait, madam, wait. If the writ petition has been disposed of and some order has been passed by the authority, you have to challenge that order.
But that is what, my lord, I have.
We can't entertain that as a bill. If you are an encroacher and you are aggrieved by some order of eviction, etc.,
There is
you
Supreme
question
Court
it.
order, my lord, the same matter, my lord.
No,
matter
no.
bill maybe.
In a disposed of matter, we can't, madam. You
That
independent.
hard, my lord, one, my lord, then, my lord, your lordship may.
No, no, no. You advise your client appropriately.
My lord,
Yes,
matter may
please
be
call.
hard, my lord, my lord.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
Matter may be fixed, my lord. Tomorrow, allow me to, my lord. I only take 5 minutes, my lord.
Sorry, madam.
My lord, may I allow, my lord? They will evict me, my lord, on 2-3 days, my lord.
You advise your client appropriately. Yes, sir. Please call.
Item number 15.
15.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the appellants, my lord, on behalf of my lord. The learned advocate general was supposed to start his arguments on the maintainability of the original writ petition, my lord. My lord is aware that the learned advocate general is not keeping well due to his health.